Tayo na sa Emlulier, tulay ng pamilya.
Mayong buntag sa tanan, atong mahinitong pag-welcome sa inyong tanan, ilabi na sa atong pinasidunggang bisita. Nga din, atong ipahigayon ang atong activity karon na mga ang turnover ceremony, feeding program at community outreach activities sa Emilia of Sandugo in partnership with MLK Foundation.
Ang buhay.
First and foremost, I would like to thank you for your warm welcome. It is our first time here at Busalian Elementary School, and we are truly honored to be part of this memorable event. The official turnover of school project, computer set with printer, school supplies, and Emblem Year 10, alongside our feeding activity under the theme Bright Minds Feeding Activity, Nourishment for a Brighter Future.
Tayo na sa Emlulier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay, tulay ng pagmamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay buhay. Ito ang tulay ng iyong pangarap, ang tulay ng pag-asa, ang tulay sa pagginhawa ng pamilya mo. Tayo na sa Emlulier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Tayo na.
Today we are happy to announce that this turnover project marks the official adoption to Busilian Elementary School under our Adopt a School program. So my biggest congratulations, you are now officially adopted by Emlulier.
Mamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay.
This activity reminds us that proper nutrition helps our children learn better and grow stronger. To our dear students, continue to study well and always believe in your dreams. We are here to support you.
Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilya.
May the generosity of Everywhere family leaves a lasting impact on your learners, and may we serve as an example that inspire young people to pay it forward.